Hey my OGs, it's Teresa Plus 5. After a long, busy day, I'm going to clean, season, and marinate these chicken wingettes overnight so I can fry my kids some fried chicken tomorrow. So this pack was $8.39. This pack is $7.37. And this pack was $6.46. And I got them all from Publix. So let's get started. These packs are so small. So first I'm gonna clean the chicken wingettes. I like to kind of knead the lemon, however you say it, to make more juice come out. I'll squeeze the lemon. And I'll leave it in there. And then I put a little bit of white distilled vinegar in there. Just a little bit, not much. So I season my chicken with Sazon, onion powder, a little bit of curry powder, complete seasoning, and fine garlic powder. It's orange, like orange powder. When I tell y'all this had your chicken tasting good, especially when you marinate it. I like to marinate my chicken that I'm gonna fry. That way all of the seasonings have a chance to just soak in it. And you know, marinate. That way when you fry the chicken, the skin don't just be seasoned, the meat be seasoned too, through and through, with every bite. Go ahead and swirl it around a little bit. Might need a little bit more Sazon in it. Sazon rhyme with Sazon. The actor from Friday, Big Worm. Y'all see that? So it's making its own juice a little bit. Gonna mix it around, around and around. Then I'm gonna add my complete seasoning. When you seasoning chicken, it gets messy, okay? So if you're not ready to get messy, get out the kitchen, okay? Stay out the kitchen. You ain't ready. And then I'm gonna add some water to kind of like, so the chicken kind of can submerge up under some juice. Y'all see that? Onion powder. I love onion powder, y'all. If y'all can smell this. Ooh-wee. I've been hearing other creators be like, it ain't seasoned if you ain't sneezing. That's funny. Okay, then we're gonna go in with a little bit of curry powder, not that much, not too crazy. Cause that curry powder is disrespectful, y'all. It gets everywhere and it'll stain whatever it touch. Look at my hands. So I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 bottle of water. I know it look nasty, y'all, but trust me, I know what I'm doing. I've been frying chicken for years. For years. Y'all see how it's like in a juice now? Because that Sazon is really salty. And so is the other seasonings. So you want to submerge it in some kind of liquid. Add a little bit more complete seasoning. I'm gonna add some garlic powder. It look crazy, don't it, y'all? And I'm gonna add some more onion powder. Mix it in, mix it in, mix it in. That garlic powder have it looking crazy. I got it from Sam's Club. Okay. And there you have it, seasoned marinated chicken. So I'm gonna let this soak overnight. And I'm gonna show y'all in the morning how it looks. I should have put some rosemary in here to give it like more flavor. But yeah, that's how it looks. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put some aluminum foil over it. Kind of seal it in tight. That way all the juices can't escape, baby. You ain't got no choice but to get up in that chicken, honey, and shake it up and season it up. Yes, ma'am. Put this in the refrigerator. Oh, where's my pudding, honey? Okay, so I had put it right down here, y'all.